What's up, everyone? I gotta tell you something. It's so exciting. The conference, this has never been done before. The conference that we're doing, I'm hosting the Power of You conference. I'm bringing together the world's greatest thought leaders, and they're just gonna help you. They're gonna bring tips, they're gonna get tricks, all the things that you need to know to stay ahead next year, to stay ahead right now, to live happy, to get a successful business, all the things in AI, in technology, in thought, everything. I'm gonna bring it to you. I got Mark Victor Hansen from Chicken Soup for the Soul. I got Dr. John Demartini from Secret. He's just an amazing thought leader. I've got Jeff Hoffman, who's been involved in companies like Priceline and UBid and Booking.com, and his partner's Pitbull, and he's got a Grammy. The guy's just incredible. I've got speakers like Meredith Walker from X Prize, who they're funding $20 million projects, $100 million projects to go to space or do these crazy, amazing things. They're pushing the edge of the future, and she's gonna talk about the future and how you're involved in it. I've got all these incredible people, but what we're doing, I'm doing something that's different than any other event too. You can come and you can listen for free to the entire thing, but if you wanna dive deep, you can buy everything that's a copy of the event. We're gonna have it transcribed, we're gonna have a video recording, but not only that, we partnered with Paul Allan and the team at SOAR to bring you the whole entire event, indexed, searchable, so everyone's talk, you can actually go and experience it. You can listen to it, and you go back later and you go, what did Mark Victor Hansen say about publishing? And you can search it. We're gonna give you an app. You can search it, you can find the words. It's gonna show you the text, and you go, yeah, that's the section he was talking about. Click on the text, it's gonna drop you right back into the talk. And you're gonna listen to him again. You're gonna hear his inspiration, and you're gonna go, oh yeah, that's what I needed. That's what I needed to know. That was the information that I forgot. So we're doing this to make a lasting difference. We're doing this to create change, to give you something that's actually valuable, that's gonna make a difference in your life. So come to the Power of You event. Sign up right now. If you wanna dive in deep, you can sign up for the extra bonus that we're offering you with this new deal with recording and the transcription and everything, to dive in the whole study of it. But I want you to be there either way. Participate. Power of You event. It's gonna change people. We're gonna uplift humanity. It's gonna be amazing. I love you. I'm excited. I want you to be there. I want to see your smiling face. I want you to succeed from all the things that I'm putting together to help you. I'm doing this to help you. I'm doing this to uplift you. I'm doing this to make a difference in your life. So come, don't waste it. Like, this is expensive. These people are really smart, and it's totally worth your time and every second, every moment you invest in it. Block out July 22nd and 23rd. Clear your schedule, take notes, learn from this, love it, dive in, or just listen, and then you can buy the whole technology thing like I'm telling you with our new partnership. Come check it out. I want to inspire you. Love you. Have a great day. Bye.